In this short video, we'll learn about the unique device ID number. Let's get started. Each device has a unique device ID number that helps in telling each device apart. These unique device ID numbers will appear in the file names of the data you download and inside the file itself. Let's find out our unique device ID number. First, slide the display switch to the MEM position. Once you're here, press the down arrow once. The second row will display the first half of the device ID number. Press the down arrow again, and you'll see the remaining half in the center row. Press down a third time, and you'll return to the default display. Now that we have our unique ID number, you'll see this number as the file name when you download your data. This will let you know that this data came from this particular device.